Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Is it good? In this recipe we will be following In the Kitchen with Sandy, another YouTuber. This is sauteed string beans. Basically the ingredients are garlic powder, garlic, minced garlic, chopped garlic, seasoned salt, green beans, pepper, and olive oil. Let's see if this is good. So in her instructions, you heat up the olive oil, which I have right here. Okay, 2 tablespoons, she says. And you're supposed to add the garlic in there with the sea salt, seasoned salt, and of course freshly ground pepper. Okay, and then you're supposed to layer the string beans like this, single row. Cook it for a few minutes. Okay. Okay, the string beans are done. Looks very good. I'm gonna try some first. Nice flavor, very crisp, very good. She suggests to sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on top. So let's see. Okay. Let's try it with some kosher salt. Quite honestly, I don't think you need the kosher salt at the end. I think it tastes just as good as it is. Very nice, tender, crisp taste. Very good. I like the garlic flavor with the seasoned salt mixed together. It was a nice smelling. Very good. I recommend this dish.